My name is Stephen Terracone, and I teach the Electrical Electronics program here at BOCES. This program is two parts. The first part is electronics, first-year students, and that's electricity in its basic form, its smallest form. There's a lot of theory, math, some science, and electricity is invisible. So this is a lot about how it's created, how it moves around circuits, the characteristics of the current flow, and then building projects on a small scale.
I'm Evan Kiros. I'm in 12th grade, senior, and I'm in electrical and electronics. I chose this class because growing up, I've worked in construction. I've done just about everything except for electrical and plumbing, and they don't have a plumbing class, so electrical was the only class that I didn't already know how to do.
We teach the basics of electricity and electronics, both math and science. We transition that knowledge into building little projects. For instance, we start off with solderless circuit boards that can be done over and over again. And then we do more permanent projects that you can actually use for, this is a power supply. The second year is more into construction, electricity on a larger scale, drilling holes, climbing ladders, mounting equipment. All ties in though by the end of the program.
Normally we just work on the booths, do booth projects. Sometimes I'll get carried away. I fix power tools for the welding class. I help out the auto body class with their toys. I fix a lot of electronics, even though that this is mainly just residential wiring. But if it needs to be fixed, I have the knowledge to fix it, so I do.
Students with interest in science and math helps. However, we have all kinds of students here, and we hone their skills as they grow into this program. They don't always know what they want when they sign up for a program like this. Most importantly, though, is attention to detail, attention to safety. I mean, electricity is, you can't be sloppy.
You learn how to use all the tools. Safety is very big. You have to go through OSHA your junior year. Once you know how to do everything, it all comes together.
Also, getting out into the field and either observing it and shadowing or work-based learning. Internships, paid or unpaid internships. Again, practicing and seeing it in a real-world environment. People come into this program with the thought that, oh, I'm signing up for this so I can be an electrician, which is a great thing, and there's a huge need for that in our industry today. However, you may get halfway through this program and feel like, I can't work with tools, I'm really not good at this, I don't like climbing ladders, can I do this? There's so much that this industry has to offer, and I remind the kids about it all the time. For instance, things like the supply chain. Every industry, whether it's construction, industrial, there's a huge inflow of materials. Those materials need to be bought, so there's purchasing and procurement. They need to be sold, so there's sales and marketing. There's engineering. These materials need to be built. You could have a prolific career in this industry without ever picking up a tool.
I'm going into the United States Navy as a fire controlman, which is weapons, but it's the electronics and everything else. So this class with the electronics has set me ahead of everyone else going into that job. So when I get there and go through boot camp and start my schooling, hopefully I can just go through it like it's just like this, almost. If I like it, stay. If I don't, I can find a job as an electrician. You can do anything.